बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं सैयद हुसैन तालीम की तड़का के प्लेटफॉर्म से आज हम इलेक्शन ऑफिसर की क्लास नंबर 13 करने जा रहे हैं। आज का पहला सवाल है, एट विच पार्ट हैज़ नाइट नेविगेशन सिस्टम बीन लॉन्च फॉर वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ पाकिस्तान? कासिम। उसके बाद है द कराक्रम इंटरनेशनल Alpine Ski Cup 2019 was held in Pakistan. उसके बाद which of the following Pakistani teacher has won the coveted World's Dedicated Teacher Award announced by Cambridge University? Ahmad Saya. उसके बाद है what was the theme of the 32nd African Union Summit? The year of the refugees, return, returnees, internally displaced person. उसके बाद the busiest avenue was named after Muhammad Ali Jinnah Way in which city? ये है न्यूयॉर्क। उसके बाद है recently Pope Francis visit which of the following countries from 3 Feb to 5 Feb 2019 to participate in an international interfaith meeting UAE. उसके बाद है SGS-1 communication satellite is recently launched by Saudi Arab. फिर है in which city was the World Government Summit 2019 held? दुबई UAE. उसके बाद है passing under which sea the Turk Stream 910 kilometer gas pipeline is linking Russia and Turkey Black Sea. A common digital currency ABER is launched by UAE and Saudi Arabia. Who is the first captain of Pakistan national women blind cricket team? Rabia Shehzadi. Name the Pakistan envoy in China who received the Silk Road Super Ambassador Award? Masood Khalid. The name of Pakistan's first Hindu woman civil judge is Suman Bodani. उसके बाद इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ द पीरियड टेबल 2019 is officially launched by UNESCO या UNESCO. उसके बाद the aerospace industry of Dash has signed $777 million naval MRSAM deal with Indian Navy Israel. उसके बाद एशियन कप फुटबॉल टूर्नामेंट 2019 won by Qatar. उसके बाद the first ever global report future of the rail is prepared by IEA. उसके बाद who won the 19 Asian Junior Squash tournament by beating India Pakistan. उसके बाद where was the 10th meeting of the SAARC Food Bank Board held? Islamabad. उसके बाद in which city Iran Pakistan free economic zone is going to establish for enhanced bilateral trade with Pakistan? ये है मीरजेफ सिटी MIRJVEH और CITY city. So which Pakistani personality has the name among Foreign Policy Magazine 2019 list of global thinkers? Prime Minister Imran Khan. What was the theme of the World Wetland Day 2019? Wetlands and climate change. उसके बाद Dash has signed a 5-year global partnership deal with International Cricket Council ICC Coca-Cola. Enjoy. फिर UN and Dash launch Africa Center for Climate and Sustainable Development. ये है इटली. फिर the Arab Economic and Social Development Summit 2019 was held in UAE, Lebanon. इसका टाइटल है Milk of Honey. In the 10th BRICS Summit 2019, which of the two countries participated as a guest? तुर्की एंड अर्जेंटीना. ब्रिक्स की फुल फॉर्म है ब्राज़ील, रशिया, इंडिया, चाइना, साउथ अफ्रीका. उसके बाद है फंक्स सुल्तान अब्दुल्ला इलेक्टेड एज अ प्रेसिडेंट एज अ किंग ऑफ मलेशिया. फिर करप्शन परसेप्शन इंडेक्स CPI 2018 has ranked dash on first position Denmark. CPI stand for ये भी हो सकता है कंज्यूमर प्राइस इंडेक्स. उसके बाद है वर्ल्ड कैंसर डे 2019 हैड थीम I am and I will. वर्ल्ड कैंसर डे 2019 की जो थीम है वो है I am and I will. फिर डैश वन द ऑस्ट्रेलियन ओपन 2019 मेंस सिंगल फाइनल नोवेक डिजोविक. उसके बाद डैश वन द ऑस्ट्रेलियन ओपन 2019 वुमेन सिंगल फाइनल ये नोमी ओसाका. उसके बाद द ब्राज़ीलियन सिटी डैश हैज बीन नेम यूनेस्को एज द वर्ल्ड कैपिटल ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर फॉर 2020 रियो डी जेनेरियो. उसके बाद है स्टेफन लॉफवेन was elected as the Prime Minister of Sweden for dash term, second term इनकी. उसके बाद the winner country of the Open Cup 2019 is Switzerland. उसके बाद recently Pabuk, a tropic cyclone occurred in which of the following countries? Thailand. फिर name the Chief Justice of India who attend the oath making ceremony of the Chief Justice of Pakistan Asif Saeed Khosa. Justice Ranjan Gogoi. What are the name of two Asian countries that are ranked with 89% of people expressing patriotism toward their homeland, Pakistan and Vietnam? The Point of Light award is given to APS survivor Ahmed Nawaz, UK. फिर where did the Dakar Rally 2019 take place? Peru. उसके बाद है where will the 14 G20 Summit 2019 be held? Osaka. ये जापान के अंदर है. उसके बाद है the dash annual meeting of the World Economic Forum was held in Davos in January 2019. 49 नंबर की थी. उसके बाद है which of the following airport of US is renamed after the legendary boxer Muhammad Ali? ये लुइस वैली एयरपोर्ट. उसके बाद है दी न्यूली इलेक्टेड डिप्टी स्पीकर ऑफ आज़ाद कश्मीर एंड कश्मीर लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली यह सरदार अमीर अल्ताफ. What is the name of the first Sikh PRO to Punjab governor? Sardar Pawan Singh Arora. The current chairman of Pakistan Telecom Authority PTA, Major General retired Amir Azim Bajwa. The first ever Arctic weather satellite was launched by Russia. Social media site Dash has announced to invest $300 million in local journalism. Facebook. फिर under construction Golpur hydropower project 102 megawatt is located in Kotli. फिर who is the newly elected president of Brazil? Jair Bolsonaro. फिर which country is at the first position WRT with respect to child born on New Year days in 2019 according to UNICEF India. In order to cut greenhouse gas emission, Dash has imposed carbon tax from 2019 Singapore. फिर Sheikh Hasina Wajid was elected for the fourth as a Prime Minister of Bangladesh. चौथी टर्म थी इनकी. The world first lander on the far side of the moon on 3rd January 2019 China. Major General Elenka Ermening become the first female army chief of Slovenia. फिर on 1st January 2019 which two countries left UNESCO, USA and Israel. Two football legends Dash and Dash arrive in Pakistan, Kaka and Figo. The rank of USA according to the World Government Summit is Dash in e-complaint system, third. The annual summit of the African Union took place in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia का कैपिटल है. फिर ex-chief justice of Dash has been arrested in case rigging charges, South Korea. Right. Which was the deadliest country for journalists in 2018 by Forbes, Afghanistan. The first female cricketer to play 200 ODI is Mithali Raj. The current IG of KPK police is Muhammad Naeem Khan. Which of the European country has officially set up a payment channel with Iran called Instex? ये Germany, France and UK. Here World Economic Outlook has been released by IMF. Here how many countries participate in Karakoram International Palpinski Cup 2019? 13 countries. Here which Pakistani journalist won the AFP's Katie Webb Prize 2018? Asad Hashim. उसके बाद Space Agency Dash has launched a satellite to create the world's first artificial metro shower, JAXA. Where the 2019 Asian Football Cup is the Dash edition AFC 17. The United Nations General Assembly has announced the first ever International Day of Education to be celebrated on 24 January 2019. Who will host ICC Women T20 World Cup 2020 Australia? Recently, Germany has signed the Treaty of Aachen to which of the following country? France. The first player in cricket history to win all three awards of the year, विराट कोहली. आज तक के लिए इतना, बाकी नेक्स्ट इंशाल्लाह ताला. शुक्रिया. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.